Hi, this is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to properly clean your laptop LCD screen. This is something that needs to be done from time to time, and some people are worried about what type of cleaners to use. Well, what I use is just Windex or alcohol. And you just use a paper towel and you apply it straight to the paper towel. You do not want to use anything that's abrasive or any type of industrial solvents, so you need to be careful of that. Go ahead and clean completely. And you don't want to spray directly onto the screen, because that has a risk of it leaking down into the screen. I hope this has helped you. This is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com.